Hello everybody, this is Steven here, and today we're gonna review the M32 grenade launcher. Um, this gun is good, yet problematic. Like, also this gun has the biggest caliber of all guns right now. Like this bullet this projectile right here is as big as my thumb. Like, look at that. Look at that. As big as my thumb. And let me compare it to the revolver shotgun and the M416 round. All right, this is the M416. This is the revolver shotgun round. And this is the M32 grenade launcher round. As you can see, is just as thick as the two of them. It's like holding two French fries. And they make it so big has the pros of not getting stuck in somewhere you cannot reach. Like, it's nice. Sometimes it is nice that this round is quite big, so it doesn't get stuck. And this gun has two problems. One is that the round doesn't stay inside the chamber, but you can fix that. I'll teach you later. And this scope is fake, like completely fake. It doesn't even have a fucking glass piece, a freaking glass piece. Like, look at it. So I will teach you right now how to fix it. As you can see, there's 4 holes for the screw. Yeah. And I'm gonna go grab a screwdriver and gonna remove it. All right, got the screwdriver. Let's remove the scope. All right. Let's start with this one right here. This one, yeah, this one right here. This one right here. And now to this one right here. Right inside right here. Right here. And then this one right here, inside this little right here. And now everything has been loosened. It should be able to separate. There we go. Got the half. Got the half. Got the other half. Alright. Now we can aim the gun without anything blocking our vision. And let's load the projectile. Alright. You gotta treat this gun like a friend you care about seriously. Like, you don't just shove it in. You just You just toss it in forcefully, like this, just very forcefully, like that, just instantly, so it doesn't, no, just just get out of the goddamn chamber. Oh, I just did it wrong. You can push it, but it doesn't really work if you push it. Just instantly. Alright, one more. Alright, grab it right here. Put that right there. Alright, let's get to shooting the gun. Almost got there. I want to do one more stuff. The grenade is still, the projectile is still spinning. Well, anyways, I want to do one more stuff. It's to lob 2 shells into one of each crate. So, I'll be right back. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to stand there, right at the wooden spot, and I'm gonna do it. Fucking skin off. This fucking creator that created this fucking gun. Rip the fucking skin off. Always the price to pay for it. And I'll die for it. There. Fuck. Alright, we got 2 out of 6. It's so fucking tight. Just by loading the shells, by loading the projectiles, it just fell out constantly. And by the way, I forgot to tell you, these they came with 6 shells, and only one kind with the soft top that bounce off once they hit. And I'm fucking done with this gun. Anyways, like, subscribe, turn the bell on, follow me in Discord down below. I hope I'll make more videos about this, about making more toy gun videos. Alright, have a good day.